how to build the ultimate AI second brain for Hermes Agent. Today, I'm going to show you how to build a team of AI workers that never sleeps. Not one chatbot in one tab, a whole crew working for you all day long. This uses two tools called Hermes Agent and Obsidian, and together they're wild. It doesn't matter what new AI model drops next week, this system just keeps getting stronger. Stick around because the memory trick at the end might be the coolest thing you see all week. Most people are stuck. 10 tabs open, one AI chat here, another AI chat there, nothing talking to each other, nothing remembering anything. There's a better way, and barely anyone is talking about it yet. Today, I'm showing you how to wire two tools together, Hermes Agent and Obsidian, into one system. Think of it like a home base for your whole AI team. One AI writes for you, one AI checks the work, one AI makes it better. All at the same time, all while you do something else. And here's the part that surprised me the most. Once you add memory to this system, it starts to feel almost alive. I'll also show you how to run this without burning through a ton of tokens. So stick around for that part too. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. Let's start with the big idea. An agent operating system is just one home for all your AI workers. Instead of one chatbot in one tab, you get a whole team in one place. Hermes is in there, Claude is in there. Any new model you want, you can add it to. And here's the best part. When a new model drops, you don't start over. You just plug it in. New model comes out this month, plug it in, another one comes out next month, plug that in too. The system stays the same. The models just get swapped, and it only gets stronger over time. I use this every single day to build content for the AI Profit Boardroom. Here's exactly how. I feed the system a list of topics our members keep asking about. Then it drafts the scripts, writes the hooks, and even writes the captions all in one go. That's the kind of content that brings the right people into the AI Profit Boardroom. And that's just the surface. Wait until you see what this does with memory. But first, take a look at this. This is my actual agent operating system running live right now. Watch this. One agent is writing a script for a topic our AI Profit Boardroom members keep asking about. Right next to it, another agent is checking that work and cleaning it up, making it sharper before anything even gets sent to me. This is the exact system I've been talking about this whole video, and you're watching it work in real time. If you want this exact setup, my actual agent operating system, you can get it right now. Join the AI Profit Boardroom, and I hand you the whole system as a ready-to-install file. You don't build any of this from scratch. You just drop it in, and it's running. On top of that, you get the full 30-day roadmap, so you always know your next step. Plus live coaching calls where you can share your screen and I help you set up your exact system. If building your own agent operating system like this is the thing you're trying to do right now, the AI Profit Boardroom was built for exactly this. Link is in the comments and description. Now you might ask, why not just use one AI tool on its own? Good question. One tool on its own only runs that one model. So if you've got 2 or 3 AIs working, you can't manage them all in one place. With an agent operating system, I get one group chat with every model together. New model drops, I just open a new chat for it inside the same system. That freedom is the whole point. People also ask me about other automation tools that use drag and drop boxes. Look, those tools are powerful but technical, and they break a lot once it gets big. With an agent operating system, I just tell it what I want, and it builds the workflow into the system in minutes. It's easier to see, easier to fix, and way more fun to use. You can also make it your own. The look, the feel, the layout. People take the same base system and turn it into something that feels totally theirs, a clean dashboard, their own style. It's not some stiff tool you tolerate. It's a command center you actually enjoy opening every single day. Okay, now let's get to the part that makes this whole thing click. Memory. This is where Obsidian comes in. If you've never heard of it, Obsidian is basically a second brain. It stores your notes as plain text files right on your own computer. That means you can open them anytime, even offline, and you actually own them. No locked up cloud, just simple files you control. Here's why that's huge for your AI team. My agents take notes from every single conversation and drop them into my Obsidian vault. Then I connect that vault to my agents using something called an MCP. Now they all share one brain. Every AI model remembers the same things. They all have the same context. I use this shared memory to map out the whole onboarding path for new AI Profit Boardroom members. The welcome notes, the first steps, the resources to point them to. It all lives in one vault. So when I jump between projects, nothing gets lost. I'm not explaining everything over and over again. That alone saves me a big chunk of my day. Now wait until you see what this does with video. I give my agents a video skill so they can script, generate, and edit a video without me touching it. I've watched it write the script, make the clips, do the voice, and even handle the camera angles. And here's the cool part. I don't use just one agent for this. I use a team. One agent writes, one agent edits, one agent plays judge and scores it. Then it sends the work back until it's actually good. They go back and forth on their own until the judge says it's great. This is exactly how I run video content for the AI Profit Boardroom. The writer drafts a video about a topic our members care about. The editor cleans it up. The judge keeps pushing until it's sharp. More good content means more of the right people finding the AI Profit Boardroom. Now, a quick word on keeping this safe, because a local agent can do real things. The first rule I follow, I never give it my main email. I give it its own inbox instead. That way, it can't touch anything important by mistake. These tools already have guardrails built in, but I add my own rules on top. The clearer the rules, the safer it stays. Here's how I think about permissions. I start the agent off with almost nothing, then open up one thing at a time. At first, it can read, but it can't send. It can draft, but it can't post. Once I trust it on a task, I loosen the leash a little. I also tell it to stop and ask me before doing anything big. That one rule alone saves a lot of headaches. And every time I spot something I don't want it doing, I add one more rule. The system gets safer the more you use it, not less. Let's talk about keeping this light, because a lot of people skip this part. First, look for coding plans built right into your models, so you're not tracked on every single request you make. Second, look for open models. There's a whole list of them out there and new ones show up all the time. Third, and this one's underrated, there's an open source tool that turns your files into clean text so your agents read less junk and use way fewer tokens. There's also an open source tool that trims your tokens down even more. Small changes, big difference over time. Now here's a fun one. Voice. I've got a voice agent called Jarvis plugged into my whole system. I can just say, Jarvis, open this site for me, and it thinks for a second and does it. Voice stuff can get a little buggy sometimes, I'll be honest. But when it acts up, I go straight to my AI and say, here's the issue. Can you fix this part of my system? A screenshot helps. It checks the logs, fixes it, and we keep going. If you want this running around the clock, you can put the whole system on a server in the cloud that never turns off. Okay, last big tip, and please take this one seriously. Don't try to build everything at once. You'll burn out. Pick one workflow, just one. Want to generate leads? Tell your AI, here's my idea, here's how I think it should work. It'll tell you exactly how to set it up and build it right into your system, plus which open tools to grab. Get that one thing working, then add the next. One thing a week beats 10 things you never finish. And remember, this is exactly why this whole system is so powerful. Models will keep changing. New ones will keep dropping. When Fable 5 got pulled a while back, people panicked. But if you've built a system like this, you just swap it out and keep moving. The system holds it all together. That's the real freedom here. So that's the play. Hermes for the agents, Obsidian for the memory, open models to keep it light, and one system that grows with you forever. And if you want to build this exact agent operating system for yourself, the whole setup I showed you earlier, that lives inside the AI Profit Boardroom. You get the ready-to-install file, the 30-day roadmap, and live coaching calls where I help you plug in Hermes, Obsidian, and your own AI team. Link is in the comments and description. And if you want the full process, the SOPs, and 100+ AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. Links are in the comments and description. You'll get all the video notes from this one, plus access to our community of 38,000 members who are crushing it with AI. And hey, Julian reads every comment, so drop a comment below and tell me what's the first workflow you're going to build inside your own AI second brain.